Hello, it's tomorrow. We've let the glue dry overnight in the rosette. It's nice and solid now. Still looks a little odd, but what we're going to do is sand it down so that you can see the end results of what happens when this is finished. So I've got my random orbital sander here, 100 grit sandpaper on it. It's going to be noisy here for a few minutes because I'm going to turn on the dust collector and we'll start sanding. All right, there, that is what it looks like now. After it's been sanded down, and remember, this is only sanded down to 100 grit. This will polish up and look a lot nicer as we go up in grits, get up to about 200 grits. But you can see now the details now of each layer and how it comes out. So that's how the rosette should end up. And you can see that it's really not that tedious of a job. The most tedious part of it is getting those channels cut precisely to fit the plastic that glues in there. So that's it for today.